All right, ladies and gents, we've been having a horrible time with high EGTs in this car. Originally set the timing with a pulley I found it in the basement. I believe it was an S5. The housings are S4 NA housings versus a turbo housing. And here's the story. They are not the same pulleys. Everybody thinks that all the pulleys are going to have the same timing marks. So this lined up right now with the bolt holes. Okay. If you can see, is actually off quite a bit, which I've got to bend that straight too. So as you can see, it's off like 2-3 degrees. Now let's stick this pulley on, and if you look closely, it's smaller for one, but this one is dead on. So S5, S4 pulleys, or turbo pulleys to NA pulleys, are different. You're going to be off by 3-4 degrees maybe. Yeah, so I'm going to put the proper pulley on this and time it and see if the EGTs go down, which they should, because if it's retarded a bunch of degrees, then I mean obviously you're going to have a high EGT. So let me get to it. So we fixed the timing in this thing. Coolant temps seem to be doing better. He's got a set of BCs that he wanted installed. Unlike the Rx7, these don't take very long to put in. I just put this one in like 5 minutes. I got a feeling this car is going to be laid out. I'm going to have to adjust them. I just put them in where BC had them adjusted. Get the wheel on this, set it on the ground, and see where it's at, because I'm kind of curious. But yeah, you can see why we're changing these struts out. Yeah, so somebody doesn't know how to put these together correctly. So that'll probably be the next thing to address, is the brake lines. That's funny, because I haven't had these off